one of biggest zoos.
Today we're going to talk about the cows.
Hello, in the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Today on the date, October 16, Ban Private School organized a short trip to Erbil International Zoo, which is considered as one of biggest zoos, not only in Kurdistan, actually in Iraq. So students will get benefit of it. Thanks for you. Girls, look at the cat's neck. It's a cut. It's a cut.
My name is Mr. Hamza. I'm science teacher. Today we bring the students from the Ban school to the zoo. We have 2 points in this small trip. The first is the moral thing. Listen to me very carefully, beloved students. The first thing, the first point of this trip is the moral. Okay? You have to respect the animals. You have to respect them. Okay? Do not touch them. They are very friendly. Okay? They are also living beings. So from the moral side, we have to respect them. Be kind with them. And from the scientific side, okay? This is a monkey. It's called vervet monkey. We have a lot of types of monkey, okay? Monkeys are mammals. It means they give milk to their babies. They have milk to give to their babies, and they have fur or hair. Look at the hair. They have fur or hair that make them warm up during the winter. If you have any question, you can ask me about. Yes, Abdurrahman?
Why can the monkey come out of the cage?
Yeah, because they're very flexible. They can go out from the small holes. Just cat, just cat.
I have a cat.
Listen, beloved students, these are tigers, one of the most dangerous animals in the world, okay? In scientific world, they are called carnivores. Means, what does carnivores mean? Yes? Yes? Carnivores, yes, someone? Well done, someone. It means that they eat meat, okay? They are consumers. They eat other animals, okay? And this white one, okay, I'll answer your question. The white one is very rare one. There's very little number of them, okay? There are very few numbers of the white tigers in the world.
Everyone, today this animal we see, who can tell me the name of this animal? Yes? Excellent, it's a crocodile. Yes, crocodile is a very dangerous animal. Why? Because maybe he eats human, maybe he try to hunt us, okay? They made this crocodile in this place because this crocodile is so dangerous, okay? They might hunt us, so that's why they place it in this place. Okay, what crocodile eat? Who can tell me? They eat meat. Excellent, they eat meat.
Today is the best day. Today we come to Erbil Zoo and we saw a lot of animals. This animal is dangerous. It's called crocodile. Crocodile is a dangerous animal in the whole entire world. Crocodile only eats meat. If we go next to it, we die. If we go next to it, that he will eat us. Nobody should touch them. Bye. Today we had a fun day at the zoo. The teacher told us how do animals work and play, and they said we have to respect the animals because they don't attack us, they don't do anything to us. We have to respect them, and today we saw a lot of different animals like tigers, jaguars, lions, zebras, donkeys, camels.
Beloved students, this is one of the most dangerous animals in the world, okay? It's called hyena. Hyena, one of the features of hyenas, they cannot attack the prey by its own. They catch the prey in a group, okay? If you saw in the television, okay, in the TV, always in a group, 15, 14 of them attacking one animal to catch it and eat it, okay? And they don't like lions. They're also fighting with lions, okay? And this hyena present in our countries also. As my own, I saw one in my life. They are present in the Middle East, in the Asia and Africa, 3 places, okay? Asia, Africa, Middle East, in our country also present. Yeah, might be, yeah. They live in a semi-desert areas, semi-desert, okay? The place that there's, yeah, a little bit hot, not too much, okay? The place that there's a prey to eat.
Hi guys, today we're going to talk about the camels. Camels are an animal that they're wild and they live in desert and they have a very large food to eat, and they're living in desert. They're wild. Bye. Today we went to the zoo and we saw a lot of animals. We are very happy. The teacher said if we're nice to the animals will be nice to us, and they will not hit us and they will not try to attack us.
Next animal we have camel. Camel is one of rare animals. Of course, when you see camel, it's so huge. The reason behind that size, it's obvious. You know why? Because camels are living in desert, and they are not living in forest, no, in a place that has a lot of water, no. So one of features of camel is, oh, don't bite me. One of features is camels can hold a lot of water. Her belly is just like, her belly is just like a tank, a bottle of water. It can hold more than 10 liters of water. So one of distinguished part of camel is they can walk, they can move without water for a long distance. Last but not least, our trip with our dear students is over. We ended our trip by having fun, and on other hand, we had fun. Not only fun, we got benefit from it. The students were so happy and they got a lot of benefit from it. So Band Private School, they have a lot of activities, like always. Thank you.